holidays are certainly a time for a little self-indulgence. And I don't think there's a better way to have real great self-indulgence than having a molten chocolate lava cake, a real classic. We'll let that slowly melt. Some butter. Let's give these a little flour. I'm going to split the vanilla bean. Look at that. Butter and chocolate all melted together. In with the chocolate to my egg mix, just adding a little at a time so it doesn't separate. The chocolate's going to cool down a touch and thicken up. A little flour, some cardamom. Now, a little something to keep you up for Santa. Some finely ground espresso beans. Just putting the espresso beans through the sieve so they're nice and fine. Lightly buttered and floured ramekins, guaranteed to come out of the mold. Before I put these in the oven, we'll start poaching our figs. Cinnamon, cloves, honey. It's almost like eating a fig flavored with Christmas pudding. Just enough red wine to cover them so they can poach. Look at those. Perfect. A little light crust, golden brown. I've got my figs. Look how that red wine has thickened up. And these figs look like they're about to burst. The moment of truth. It's almost jumping out of the ramekin. Dollop of whipped cream, a little powdered sugar, and a touch more of the fig poaching liquid. I always think of dessert as the grand finale to a meal, and this one is a showstopper. Now, the moment of truth, when I cut it open, I want to see the molten chocolate run. That is nice. Really nice.